Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Booking.com. So let me take you to the website, which is Booking.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Booking.com is one of the world's largest online travel platform, offering hotel bookings, flights, airport taxis, vacation rentals, attractions, and travel packages across millions of destinations worldwide. The platform is widely used by travelers and travel content creators, making it one of the most recognized affiliate opportunities in travel niche. So what are you waiting for? Come to their website, explore all about them, all the amazing places they got, and buy yourself a vacation if you prefer. But that's not exactly why we're here. As usual, we are here to earn money from Booking.com. How do we do that? You guessed it right. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Booking.com, start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic, and when we bring sales to them, we end up receiving commission. So, who can join the affiliate program of Booking.com, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission? No restrictions found with regards to the location. So, regardless of your location as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of Booking.com affiliate program. And regardless of your consumer location, you can promote them so long as Booking.com provides the services to the consumer of any country. It will be fine for you to bring the sales accordingly and to get the commission. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, you can scroll down to the footer section. Over here, you have to click on Become an Affiliate, which will take you to the affiliate program page of Booking.com, how exactly it works, convert traffic into revenue, wide range of options you got, easy to use, customer driven service. And then you register, you sign up with Network, you promote Booking.com, and you generate revenue. That's it. So let's talk more about signing up for their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called cj.com. Now, what is CJ and what relation they have with Booking.com? CJ is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you don't join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you must join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Booking.com, we must join CJ as an affiliate. Now, CJ calls affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers, so don't get confused. How do you sign up with CJ as an affiliate? Simply click on Get Started from the top right hand side. From here, it will take you to this page. Over here, within Publisher and Creator, click on Sign Up, which will take you to the sign up form. You can start the sign up process from here. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there. Don't you worry, I've got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use CJ affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a free CJ affiliate account. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again. This time, click on login. It will take you to login screen, enter your email, followed by password, followed by continue. That will take you to something called Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Booking.com. But we will keep the focus of our video only on the affiliate program of Booking.com. So, how do you find the affiliate program? For that, hover over Partners, click on Find Advertiser. It will take you to this page. Look at the left hand side, and within Advertiser Search, start typing Booking. When you do that, you will see a list of different affiliate program belongs to booking.com. Be careful about the location. So depending on your traffic, you want to go with that location. Let's say if you're targeting the traffic of Asia Pacific, then go with booking.com APAC. If you're targeting, let's say, France, go with booking.com France. And if you're targeting USA and Canada traffic, then go with booking.com North America. So I'm going to go with booking.com North America. Likewise, you can select even multiple affiliate programs, but I want to focus towards booking.com North America. And then you can click on search. When you do that, it will load up the details and it will show you the details about the respective affiliate program of booking.com. Once it's loaded, ensure you have clicked on that tile so that you get to see more information like this. Usually when you search for just one program, this will by default be open, but if you have searched for multiple program at once on booking.com, there will be a row of booking.com affiliate program and you have to click on the respective row to see the details accordingly. For the US or North America one, I got all these details. Likewise, you'll be able to see the details accordingly for the respective region you have chosen, you have searched for. And over here, you'll be able to see the serviceable area. That means if I apply to this program, if I get approval, I would only be able to receive commission if I'm bringing sales to them from Canada and United States of America. And if I scroll down, I can get to see more details. Same way, if you scroll down, you'll get to see more details. You can click on program terms for the respective affiliate program to have more details, especially about the commission rate. So you can see 4% commission. I have tried looking at other region programs as well of booking.com. It seems to be the same, which is 4%. And the bifurcation of what category means how much commission, you will be able to see it here. So for flights, you get $2 USD per order. For cars, pay local, 3.8%. For cars, pay now, 6%. That's even good. And for any attractions, I mean vacations or so, 4% commission. That's good. Then there are some policies I highly recommend that you read it thoroughly, depending on the region, that things that you shouldn't be doing. So reading it will give you a better idea. Also, you might want to look at the social media policy as well. Most of the programs do not allow any individual publisher, but only social media accounts and no other websites. That means, let's say if you have a website and social media account, that's a different story. But if you just have a social media account with no website, it's highly likely you won't get approved. Even if you get approved, you're basically not allowed to promote them this way. You must have a website if you want to be part of booking.com affiliate program. You might want to research around different affiliate programs of booking.com and see if any of the program allows that, but I doubt it. Website, or rather having a website, is one of the main prerequisites to apply to booking.com affiliate program. All right, so let's say you've read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program of booking.com. Simply click on apply to program. It will open up a window, a new window, and will give you the confirmation that says application submitted for review. You can simply close it, and that's it. Your application to the affiliate program team of booking.com have sent. They will see whether you're good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. They could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. So, how would you know that you have been approved? You'll be notified via an email. Once you have received the email, you can log into CJ affiliate account once again. This time, hover over partners and go to My Advertisers. It will take you to the section. Over here, you will be able to see all your approved brands, including Booking.com. You have been approved. Now what? Now you start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. You have to use tracking link, or rather you have to create tracking link. So how do you get your tracking link? For that, you can hover over campaigns and click on links and products. It will take you to this page. Over here, if you look at the left hand side, within the search bar, start typing booking.com. Since I'm here to be approved by booking.com, I just have selected Verbo just for the demo purpose. But assuming you've been approved by booking.com, ensure you select booking.com from here. And then you can also go to link type, choose any link type that you prefer. And assuming booking.com is providing the type of link, if you click on search, you'll be able to see them listed here. Let's assume, just for the demo, this is one of the link, or rather the banner link of booking.com, and you want to get the tracking link for it. You simply click on it and it will give you more details. Over here, you can click on get code, and here you will have three options. You can go with HTML link code if you want to integrate it from the backend of the website. You can also click on click URL. This is a tracking URL that you can directly share with your audience, with your traffic. And if you don't want them to go to this landing page, you also have an option to go to booking.com, take any link of their website and just put that link in here and update the code. This way your tracking link will be updated. So that means if someone would click on it, instead of it being redirected to the given URL, it will be redirected to the new URL that you have given. So like this, you can explore different type of link types too. You can also go to products to find products available for booking.com. All right, so you learn how to apply to the affiliate program of booking.com and how to get the link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by booking.com, you can promote them anywhere on your website, wherever you feel like it's more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Then you got blog. Blog could be good here because you could write blog posts such as travel guides blog post, or hotel reviews blog post, or destination itineraries. These could attract the people, and in these blog posts you might want to put your tracking link somewhere along with some integrated tracking link. This could work in your favor too. Assuming you have a website, And you also have social media channels. You can also promote them on social media as well. So in social media, if you prefer to promote them on Instagram, that's good. Maybe create travel reels and put your tracking link in the description, or rather put your website link in the description so people can come to your website, explore different things available for booking.com or on booking.com and go through that. Same way, if you prefer to go with TikTok, you can create travel related content on TikTok. You can also have travel related boards on Pinterest too. That could work in your favor as well. Then you also have travel website as a very good option for an affiliate if they have such a website available. Booking.com will or travel website will complement booking.com. So having such a website available, you could basically promote different attractions or different things from booking.com directly on a travel website and integrate your tracking link properly, of course. You also have other options like travel blog, hotel review website, travel deals website. So these are some other options that you might want to look for if you want to promote a booking.com. Now, if you understand, these are some great ways to promote booking.com, but then one of the issue that most of the affiliates face is how do you bring traffic? Promoting is one thing, but if you're not getting proper traffic to either your website or your tracking link, that won't convert properly to a good number of sales. So there are some top traffic sources that I've covered for booking.com. One is YouTube. So let's say you have a website where you are posting different products or services of booking.com. You might want to create YouTube videos on travel guides and hotel reviews and tell them for more details, here's a link. Why don't you go ahead and check out the website? Or why don't you go ahead and click on this attraction link and share your tracking link accordingly? Ensure that you're abiding by the booking.com terms and condition before you do that. Then you also got SEO blog. Let's say if you choose to go with blog as one of your promotion method, that's good, but ensure you're keeping blog SEO friendly. You might want to target keywords like cheap hotels in Dubai. Basically, these kind of keywords could be great to get more organic traffic, and these traffics are great for the conversion. Then you also got Pinterest and Instagram. Having travel inspiration and destination content on these platforms could be great as well. Maybe you can generate traffic from these social media accounts directly to your website. And when people come to your website, from there, they're going to the booking.com. This could work in your favor as well. And this is in case if booking.com has restrictions of directly promoting them on social media. So that will be one of the safer way. So these are some of the great ways to bring traffic to booking.com related content, or if you have a website with such a content available. So let's say you start bringing sales to booking.com. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the CJ affiliate dashboard once again. Over here, you can hover over reports. You click on performance within reports. It will take you to this page and show you apply different filters here and click on run report. You'll be able to see items, sales, leads, clicks, impression, click through, click rate, CPM, and EPC as well. Apart from it, you can hover over reports again and this time click on transactions. It will take you to the transaction page. You can apply different filters and you can also see the transactions reported accordingly. All the accumulated commission you would be able to see on the top right hand side. And if you click on this drop down icon, you'll be able to see account balance. If you click on balance details, it will give you more details. Payment status will also give you more details about the payment. Now, in order for you to receive this commission, ensure you have updated or you have given your payment details or you have set your payment method. To set up your payment method, you hover over the scope wheel from the top right hand side. I mean the setting icon. From here, click on payment and update your payment method. You will have two options to go with. Either go with direct deposit to your bank account or choose Payoneer as well if you get that option available. So these are the ways you could start getting commission from CJ for all the sales you have brought to booking.com. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of booking.com. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of booking.com. As an affiliate, if you want to learn and if you want to grow better in your affiliate marketing journey, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. There are premium as well as free resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Click on the link, get any resource that you prefer. Also, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.